Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant T5 auto scrubber. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace the solution drain hose. Again, this is super simple to do. What you want to do first is make sure that your solution tank is drained of any water. You're going to have a little bit left in there, but that's no big deal. So just drain it like that. Now there's a hose clamp right here at the end that is holding the hose to the machine. You want to loosen that hose clamp up. And then go ahead and remove the old hose. Just like that. Now this is a new hose, so we're going to reuse this and put it back on. So put it back on the same way you took it off. Put it back on the bottom first, and then retighten that hose clamp down. All right, make sure that's snug, and then just reattach it to the top, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.